Your competitor just launched a new product line. You found out from a customer. By the time you reacted, they'd already captured 30% of your target market. What if you'd known 3 weeks earlier? AI-powered competitive intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's happening right now, and the gap between businesses using it and businesses ignoring it is getting wider every single day. I'm going to show you exactly how AI tracks your competitors in real time, predicts their next moves before they make them, and gives you the advantage you need to stay ahead. Here's what most businesses miss. Your competitors are leaving digital breadcrumbs everywhere. Job postings, domain registrations, patent filings, social media activity, website changes, pricing updates, content strategy shifts. Every single one of these is a signal, and AI can monitor all of them simultaneously. Traditional competitive analysis meant manually checking competitor websites once a month, maybe subscribing to a few Google alerts, maybe tracking their social media posts. That approach is dead. Modern AI systems scrape thousands of data points daily. They detect pattern changes invisible to humans. They correlate signals across multiple channels to predict strategic moves before they happen. Let me give you a real example. A SaaS company noticed their competitor registered 3 new domain names. Normal competitive intel would have missed it, but their AI system flagged it, cross-referenced it with recent job postings for a product manager specializing in enterprise features, and detected a shift in their content strategy toward larger clients. The prediction? Their competitor was launching an enterprise tier within 60 days. They were right, and because they knew it was coming, they launched their own enterprise features 2 weeks earlier, captured the early adopters, and positioned themselves as the market leader in that segment. That's the power of predictive intelligence. So what exactly is AI monitoring? Let me break down the 7 critical signal categories. Signal number 1. Hiring patterns. Job postings reveal strategic priorities. If your competitor suddenly hires 5 data scientists, they're building something AI-powered. If they hire a VP of enterprise sales, they're moving upmarket. Signal number 2. Technology stack changes. AI detects when competitors adopt new tools. New CRM? They're scaling sales. New analytics platform? They're focusing on data. New infrastructure? They're preparing for growth. Signal number 3. Content strategy shifts. Changes in blog topics, keyword targeting, and content volume reveal market positioning changes. If they start publishing content about a new industry vertical, they're entering that market. Signal number 4. Pricing experiments. AI can detect A/B tests, promotional patterns, and pricing page changes. This reveals margin pressure, positioning shifts, or new customer segments they're targeting. Signal number 5. Partnership announcements and integrations. New partnerships signal strategic direction. Integration announcements reveal their target customers' existing tech stack. Signal number 6. Domain and trademark activity. New domain registrations, trademark filings, and brand variations indicate product launches, rebrands, or market expansions. Signal number 7. Social proof momentum. Changes in review volume, rating trends, testimonial patterns, and social media engagement reveal customer sentiment and growth velocity. When AI connects these 7 signals, it doesn't just tell you what your competitors are doing. It predicts what they're about to do. Knowing what's coming is only half the battle. You need a response system. Here's how businesses are actually using this intelligence. First, automated alerts for strategic signals. Not every competitor action matters. AI filters noise and only alerts you to moves that threaten your positioning or create opportunities. No more drowning in data. Second, market gap identification. When AI detects your competitor moving in one direction, it simultaneously identifies the gaps they're leaving behind. If they're moving upmarket, there's an opportunity in the mid-market. If they're focusing on one vertical, others are underserved. Third, preemptive positioning. Launch before they do. Announce before they announce. Position yourself as the leader before they try to claim that space. Fourth, counter-strategy execution. If AI predicts a competitor pricing change, you can adjust your value proposition in advance. If they're launching a feature, you can either match it faster or double down on your differentiation. Fifth, narrative control. When you know their next move, you control the story. You can frame the market conversation before they launch, making their announcement look like they're following your lead instead of innovating. This isn't just theory. Businesses using competitive AI are seeing measurable advantages. One e-commerce brand used AI to predict a competitor's Prime Day strategy 3 weeks early. They adjusted their own promotion timing, undercut their competitor's hero product by 5%, and captured 40% more sales than the previous year. Another B2B company detected a competitor's shift toward enterprise customers, pivoted their messaging to SMBs, and grew that segment by 120% while their competitor was distracted moving upmarket. The companies winning in 2026 aren't the ones with the best products. They're the ones with the best intelligence. So how do you actually build this system? Step 1. Define your competitive set. Most businesses track too many competitors or the wrong ones. Identify the 3 to 5 companies that actually compete for your customers. Not everyone in your category. The ones taking deals from you. Step 2. Set up monitoring across all 7 signal categories. You need coverage. Partial monitoring gives you partial intelligence. Comprehensive monitoring gives you predictive power. Step 3. Establish baseline patterns. AI needs to know what normal looks like for each competitor before it can detect anomalies. This takes 30 to 60 days of data collection. Step 4. Configure alert thresholds. Decide what level of change triggers an alert. Too sensitive and you'll get false positives. Too conservative and you'll miss important signals. Step 5. Build your response playbook. For each signal type, define your response. If competitor X does Y, we do Z. Speed matters. A playbook turns intelligence into action in hours, not weeks. Step 6. Review and adapt weekly. Competitive intelligence isn't set it and forget it. Your competitors evolve. Your market changes. Your system needs to adapt. The businesses that implement this system first will have a 12 to 18-month advantage before it becomes table stakes. Right now, you're early. In 2 years, this will be expected. In 5 years, businesses without competitive AI won't survive. Your competitors are leaving signals everywhere. The question is, are you watching? If you want to stay ahead of your competition with AI-powered tools that actually work, visit tryninja.ai. We'll show you exactly what's happening in your market before your competitors do.